morning to everyone. I, Divyadarshini Joshi of Class 9th B, is going to narrate a story from the world of science on the topic Tissues, the Silent Architects of Life. One bright morning at school, I sat in my biology class, staring at the board where the topic tissues was written in bold letters. At first I thought, oh no, this looks like another tough science chapter. But as the lesson unfolded itself, I slowly realized that tissues aren't just a topic to memorize. They are the silent architects of life, shaping every living being around us. As I listened carefully, my imagination took over. I pictured millions of tiny cells, each one alive, busy, and full of energy. But just like people, these cells can't survive alone. So they come together, forming tissues, each one designed for a special purpose. That's when it struck me. Life itself is like teamwork, and tissues are its perfect example. In plants, the story began with parenchyma, the kind and generous tissue that stores food and keeps the plant healthy. Then came collenchyma, flexible yet strong, bending with the wind but never breaking, just like how we should stay strong during challenges. And sclerenchyma stood tall and firm, giving plants the strength to grow upright. But that's not all. Inside every plant runs an invisible transport system, xylem and phloem. The xylem works like an elevator, carrying water and minerals up from the roots, while the phloem distributes food to every tiny corner of the plant. Together, they ensure that the plant stands tall and alive, never complaining, never stopping. Then came the turn of animal tissues, and I was even more amazed. The epithelial tissue forms a protective covering, guarding our organs like an invisible armor. The muscular tissue keeps us moving, allowing our heart to beat, our hands to lift, and our faces to smile. The connective tissue holds everything together, from bones to blood, like the glue that unites our body. And finally, the nervous tissue, my favorite, sends lightning-fast messages through neurons, helping us think, feel, and react in just a blink. I realized that every heartbeat, every step, every leaf growing on a tree, all of it happens because of the tissues working silently in the background. We can't see them, but without them, life would fall apart, just like a building without its foundation. When I thought deeper, I understood that tissues teach us a very important life lesson, that strength comes from unity. Just like the tissues work together for the survival of the body, we too must work together to build a stronger world. So the next time someone says biology is boring, I will just smile and say, only if you haven't met the real heroes, the tissues, the silent architects of life. Thank you.